Hi, my name's David, and I'm here to show you how to set up tax for the Philippines in Deskera Books. So first thing we're going to do is click Set up your own organization. Inside here, we're going to select the tax registry. We can change the reporting currency if required. We can change the financial year start date, and we can also change the book beginning date. So for example, April 1st. Then we can click Create. Congratulations, your Philippines organization has been successfully set up. Let's explore the app first. Let's click on Settings, and let's click on Organization Profile. Inside here, we're going to go and click on the pencil icon. And then inside here, we can see the name, the tax registry, and the date format. If I click on it, I can change it. Next, let's click on the Finance. Inside here, we can see financial start date, book beginning date, reporting currency. We can select the number of decimal places we want. We can change the number format, and we can also enable multi-currency. So for example, maybe Singapore dollars and Australian dollars, and can click Save. Next, let's go to Compliance. Inside here, I can input the VAT number. And next, let's go to Address. Next, we're going to input the address. And just click on this, and you can see all the information pops up. Then we can click Update. And if you've already updated the address in the past, it'll send you a warning message. Then you can click Yes. And you can see here all the data has been updated. Let's click on Settings, and let's click on Tax. Inside here, you can see the name, description, percent, tax code, account name, type, and visibility. If you click on the I icon, it will hide the tax. So if it doesn't apply to you, you can hide it. And later on, if it does apply, you can click on the I icon again. If you wish to add in a new tax, you can click on Add Tax. Then you can fill in the information here. Next, let's click on Settings, and let's click on Currency. Inside here, I can see the currency, code, symbol, exchange rate date, visibility, and action. If I want to activate a currency, I can click on the I icon. If I want to activate multiple currencies, I can click on the checkbox, and then I can click Activate. Now, if I want to deactivate a currency, I can click on the I icon again. I can also click on the checkboxes and click Deactivate. If I want to change the exchange rate, I can click on Exchange Rate, and I can update it here. And then I can save. You can see the exchange rate has been updated. If I want to view a rate of a deactivated currency, I click on the View Rate button. Inside here, I can see the exchange rate, effective date, and timestamp. Next, let's click on Contacts. Inside here, I can add a contact or import a contact. Let's add a contact. Inside here, we can input the name of the contact, the email address. We can select the currency. Under Accounting, we can put in the payment terms, payable account, receivable account, the BIR class, the WHT business, customer type, vendor type. You can input the VAT number and the VAT status. Next, we can go to Address, and this is where you can input the address, and then you can save. Next, let's click on Bank, and let's click on Add Bank Account. Inside here, we're going to enter the account name and the description. Then we're going to click Save and Next. Inside here, we're going to type in our bank name, and then we can select it. Then you can put in the user ID and password. If you're looking for Philippine banks, you can also type in Philippines. And you can see all the Philippine banks popped up. If you do not wish to connect your bank account, you can always click Skip. Your bank has now been created. Next, let's go click on Buy. And inside here, let's click on Pay. Inside here, you'll input the payment date, payment amount and currency, payment from, payment type, reference date, and reference number if it's a bank transfer. The key thing I want to show you here is WHT applicable. If it is, you click this, click Next, and you click Pay. After that, you can print your BIR form number 2307. Next, we're going to click on Sell. Inside, we're going to click on Get Paid. And inside here, you can select the payment date, payment and currency, deposit to, payment type, choose the reference date, and input the check number, for example, if it's a check. The main important thing is it WHT applicable? If it is, please click the checkbox, click Next, and click Receive. Then we can close this. Next, let's go click on Reports, and let's click on Sales Relief Report. Inside here, you can see your VAT number, the company name, last name, first name, middle name, address line 1, address line 2. Is it exempt, 0 rated, services, capital goods, other than capital goods, and taxable net value. So you can see the amounts here. You can see the VAT rate, the output tax, total sales, and gross taxable. So this is all for your sales contacts. Next, let's click on Reports, and let's click on Purchase Relief Report. Inside here, you can see the VAT number, company name, last name, first name, middle name, address line 1, address line 2. You can see the exempt, 0 rated, service, capital goods, other than capital goods, and taxable net value amount. You can see the VAT rate, import VAT, and total purchases. So this is for your vendors. Let's click on Reports, and let's click on the BIR 2550Q quarterly return. Inside here, we can see the sections, taxable amount, and tax amount. We can see the less allowable input tax, current transactions, less deductions from input tax, less tax credits payments, add penalties, and then you could input the information in here as well. And for penalties, you can also input the information here as well. Next, let's click on Reports. Inside here, we can see the WHT reports. We can see the quarterly returns, the annual returns, the BIR 1601E monthly returns, the BIR 1601F monthly returns, the MAP report, the monthly alpha list of payees, the list of regular suppliers, the SAWT for customer, and the SAWT for vendor. And that was a quick look at how to set up tax for the Philippines in Deskera Books.